In this example, they want you to use your calculator to help determine the trigonometric ratio. So this would be used in cases where you don't have the sides of the triangle drawn out in front of you, but you do know the angle that you're looking at. So we can use our calculator. The first thing I want you to do is check the mode that your calculator's in. It's the third line. Right now mine's in radian mode, and what we really want is degree mode. Radians is something that you'll learn about in a higher level of math, and it's the way an angle is measured. But right now you can see these angles are measured in degrees, 81 degrees. So make sure your calculator's in degree mode, and then get out of there. Now to determine the ratio, when you know the angle, it's quite easy. You'll see your sine, cosine, and tan buttons on the calculator. So for me, I'm just going to hit sine. It automatically opens up some brackets, so I'll do 81, and I'll close that bracket and hit enter. The answer I get back is my ratio. I see it's in decimal form instead of fraction form, and that's very common for trig ratios, and I'm going to leave it as a decimal. They want this answer to, let's see, 4 decimal places. So the sine of 81 degrees had been 0.9877. And let's look at the next one, the tan of 14 degrees. So I hit my tan button and then 14. I don't really need to close the bracket for these examples, but it's a good habit to get into in case in the future you're dealing with longer questions. I want to just take the tan of 14 degrees. Now this is the ratio, the opposite side over the adjacent side of a triangle that we can't see right now, where the angle in question is 14 degrees. And I see 0.2493 when I round it, so 2493. And let's try the last one, the cosine of 44 degrees. 0.7193. And that's how you can complete ratios on your calculator.